So here it is, the MK Disco. Purchased this from mechanicalkeyboards.com, arrived in about 2 days, always fast with shipping. I actually stared at this keyboard for a month, and I was always worried about the KB switches not being cherry, but after using this for a few days now, I am pleasantly surprised. In fact, I think they feel better than cherry. These are KBT Red. And yeah, I couldn't be happier with this board. If you are wondering, or if you're trying to get this board and you're worried about cherry and not being cherry, don't worry. This board's great. There's the KB talking RGB cherry clone. Alright, yeah, I switched out all the keycaps to the double shot caps that were offered from mechanicalkeyboard.com for only a $10 upgrade. Very good. And they sound much better. Yeah, they sound and feel much better. Sound and feel much better. Yeah, I'm really happy with these. I mean, they feel just as good as the cherries. Let's just hope they can hold up as well.